Good morning children, I am Swati Shabnam. In this video we are going to discuss the question answers of your second chapter, The Thief's Story. Its video I have already uploaded on the channel of our school. Hope you all have gone through it and understood the summary. So let us discuss its question one by one. Students, the very first question is, who does I refer to in this story? Students, first we will look at the inside questions of the chapter, which is also given in your book, and then we will go through the textual questions which are given at the end of the chapter. So in the very beginning, in the very first page of this chapter, you will find the question written just above this para. Very first question is, who does I refer to in this story? In the summary, I have told you that I here is the narrator, and who is the narrator? The thief. Hari Singh is the narrator. So I refers to Hari Singh in this story. Second question is, what is he a fairly successful hand at? So Hari Singh was what? By profession he was a thief, right? So he was a fairly successful hand at stealing and robbing the houses of people. He used to steal in the houses and he used to rob people. So he was very successful hand in robbing and stealing the people. Third question is, what does he get from Anil in return for his work? If you have heard the summary carefully, you must have seen that when Hari asked Anil if he could work for him, Anil said that he could not pay him. But finally, the agreement was that if he could cook, then Anil would give him food. But Anil very soon finds that Hari Singh did not know how to cook. Therefore, he taught him how to cook and later how to write his name. So he also promised him that he would teach him to write full sentences and to add numbers. Apart from this, when Hari Singh went out to buy the things from the market, he would save 1 rupee every day. So these are the 3-4 things that Hari Singh used to get from Anil. First, he learned from him how to cook. Second, he learned from him how to write his name, and later on Anil promised him to teach him to write sentences and adding numbers also. And the next thing was that he was able to make 1 rupee profit every day whenever he used to go to market. Okay, so coming to the other questions which are given in your book at page number 10. So these are the questions flashing on your screen right now. Here the first question is, how does the thief think Anil will react to the theft? So when Hari Singh had stolen the money of Anil, he himself was feeling very much sorrow. So he thought that on discovering the theft, Anil will certainly become sad, right? He will certainly become upset. But this sadness would not be for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust that he had broken. Anil used to trust Hari Singh a lot, but finally Hari Singh, what he does? He steals the money of Anil, and that is why he had broken the trust of Anil. So that is why he thinks that when Anil would come to know about this robbery, he would certainly feel sad, but this sadness will not be for stealing the money, for losing the money, but for losing the trust. So this will be its answer. What does he say about the different reactions of people when they are robbed? So when you will read this chapter carefully, Hari Singh tells that he has noticed the face of man many a time. Means whenever he had robbed the houses of people, he had observed their reaction on their face. So he said that when the greedy man is robbed, means whenever he had robbed in the house of a greedy man, they show fear, and the rich men show anger, and the poor men show acceptance, means they accept, means whatever has happened to him, they think that it was it was their fate, it was their destiny, it was written that they will be robbed one time, so that is why they have been robbed. So the greedy man show fear, the rich man show anger, and the poor men show acceptance. Now the next question is, does Anil realize that he has been robbed? Students, what do you think? Anil realizes it or not? I think definitely Anil realizes it that he had been robbed. Why? Because the notes that were kept under his bed, when he woke up in the morning, he found that it was wet with water, and that is why Anil had realized, he had gained the knowledge that he has been robbed, but he does not say anything to Hari Singh and he behaves very normally. So definitely Anil realizes it that he was robbed because the bundle of the note was wet with water, but he does not react in any way. He remains very normal, very peaceful. Now your inside questions has been finished. Coming to the textual questions of your chapter. The first question is, what are Hari Singh's reaction to the prospect of receiving an education? Do they change over time? What makes him return to Anil? Well, you will also get some hint in these questions, but I will also discuss it with you. Actually, Hari Singh's reaction to the prospect of receiving an education, it changed over time. When he started living with Anil, he thought that when he would become an educated person, he will achieve so many things in his life. He will be a knowledgeable man, he will be an intellectual person. But later on, what happens? He changes his heart and mind, and he now wants to earn respect in his life. Earlier he used to thought that when he will learn reading and writing, he will do stealing in a better way, he will become a very good thief, he will become a very good robber. But later on, after looking at the nature and behavior of Anil, his thinking was changed, but now he wanted to earn respect in his life, and it was all due to Anil, who changed him in this way. But Anil seems to be more satisfied. Anil was very satisfied by teaching Hari Singh. Hari Singh was also very glad after taking education, after learning something from Anil. So Hari Singh, definitely the nature and behavior of Anil made Hari Singh to return to him. Next question is, why does not Anil hand the thief over to the police? Do you think most people would have done so? In what way is Anil different from such employers? So students, Anil certainly had realized that he has been robbed, means his money was stolen, right? In the morning he realizes it, but in spite of that, he does not say anything to the thief Hari Singh. Rather, he gives him 50 rupees note. So Anil does not hand the thief over to the police because he had put the money back at its place. The thief had already kept the money under the bed of Anil again. So it shows that the thief had realized his fault, the thief had realized his mistake. He wants to repent for his, he was feeling so much regret, that is why he wanted to bring change in himself, but he was also feeling so much guilty. So Anil wants to give him one more chance, and therefore he forgives him. But the second part of the question is, do you think most people would have done so? So definitely no. If it happens with you, suppose somebody comes in your house and he robs you, what you will do? If he again returns back to you, what you will do? You will definitely hand that person over to the police, but Anil does not do that. So in today's world, most people would not have done so, although it was only the passion and the compassion, that was sympathy, that was within the heart of Anil, that made him do that. he had not handed Hari Singh over to the police. So Anil is really very different from these kind of people. He is very much kind hearted, he is very much emotional. He knows that if somebody has realized his mistake, he should be given one more chance to be a good person. Do you think people like, we are coming to the next question, do you think people like Anil and Hari Singh are found only in fiction, or are there such people in real life? Well, what do you think, students? Well, I don't think that these people are only found in fiction. Fiction means imaginary stories. These kind of people are also found in real life also. There are such people in real life also, although such people are rare, they are not found easily. But if one is caught stealing, what people will do? First they will beat him, they will scold him, then they will hand it over to the police. So but it should be realized that a human being is bound to commit error. Means if you don't make any mistakes, what, you are a god then, right? So it is the tendency, it is the nature of human being that they make mistakes. But what is our duty? Being a human being ourselves, we should give them another chance to be a good person, to change themselves into a good person, right? So this is the only way to bring anyone to right path. You, if you will highlight anybody's mistake again and again, it may be possible that that person will make a lot of mistakes. But if you will forgive him, definitely he will try to bring change within himself. So this is the best way to bring somebody on a right path. Punishing anybody is not only the solution. Strict, if you are so much strict, then what will happen? That person will become a criminal in the later life. Okay, so if you want to change somebody, you should be very kind hearted, you should be very sympathetic towards that person, and then only you can change that person. So definitely these kind of persons are found in real life also, although you cannot find them easily. But definitely yes, I think that these kind of persons are certainly available in our society also. Next question is, do you think it is a significant detail in the story that Anil is a struggling writer? Does this explain his behavior in any way? So Hari Singh in the beginning observed about Anil that Anil did not used to get a regular salary. His income was not regular. Whenever he used to write something, then only he was able to earn. Okay, so he was a struggling writer, means he did not make his income, he did not make his salary again and again, means on a regular basis. So he lives life according to the flow of money he gets at a given time. Suppose today he has got the money, it means what, today he will enjoy his life. If he is not getting the money tomorrow, he will not enjoy his life tomorrow. So when he gets the money, he enjoys eating out with friends, and when he is given less money, then he even does not accept paying salary to Hari Singh. Means if he gets a lot of money, he gives some part of the money to Hari Singh also. But if he does not get any money, he cannot enjoy his life. So definitely this thing tells a lot of thing about Anil and his character. Have you met anyone like Hari Singh? Can you think and imagine the circumstances that can turn a 15-year-old boy into a thief? Students, when we have started reading this chapter, we read that Hari Singh was only 15 years old that time, right? So the question is that when he was a child, it was his age of reading and writing, of going to schools. But what he was doing that time, he was robbing people, he was stealing in the houses. So definitely it can be their circumstances, it can be his circumstances that forced him to do that. Nobody wants to be a thief, that is for sure. If you have enough of things, if you have a lot of money, if you have all the luxury, if you have all the comfort, and if you have everything you want, definitely you will not be a thief, you will not steal in anybody's house, or you will not rob anybody. But if you don't have anything to eat, what will you do? It will be your compulsion to thief then. So that is why, in order to get the money, in order to fill the stomach, the thief Hari Singh used to steal in the houses and used to rob people. So definitely he was forced by the circumstances. Well, I have not met anybody like Hari Singh in my life. If you have met anybody like Hari Singh, you will write your answer as yes, I have met Hari Singh, and definitely it is the circumstances, it is the bad situation of anybody's life that turns him to be a thief. If you have everything, you certainly will not be a beggar, right? But if you have nothing, if you don't have even a piece of bread to eat, what you will do? You will certainly beg before somebody so that he will give you money or he will give you some food to eat. So it is definitely the circumstances that makes a person to be a thief or to be a beggar. Well, where is the story set? Which language or languages are spoken in these places? Do you think the characters in the story spoke to each other in English? Well, I think the story is set around Lucknow, around any town of Lucknow, because when Hari Singh was planning of robbing Anil, he was thinking that he will take the train to Lucknow at 10:30 p.m. So what I think is, uh, this story is set somewhere around Lucknow. And which language or languages are spoken in these places? Or the regional languages, of course, are spoken in these kind of places. And do you think the characters in the story spoke to each other in English? No, definitely. If it is set in if the story is set in a normal town like Lucknow, the characters will certainly not talk in English. They will talk in their mother tongue or their regional languages, right? So I hope you have understood the this discussion, and you will now write down these question answers yourself.